Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts for sale. First, let's discuss the foundational steps. Choosing the right ingredients is crucial for a delicious product. You'll need flour, sugar, yeast, and fresh oil. We'll cover both yeast-raised and cake donut styles, ensuring you have options. Gathering your equipment, like a stand mixer and a reliable deep fryer, is your first practical step. Now, let's get into the dough. Mixing your ingredients properly ensures a smooth, elastic dough. After mixing, proofing is key. This allows the yeast to activate, giving your donuts that light, airy texture. Once proofed and shaped, fry your donuts in oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature ensures they cook evenly and achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Hey everyone, if you're finding these donut making tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, after all that delicious frying, your car might need a refresh. Life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice. It's a quick way to keep things fresh. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After frying, it's time for the fun part, glazing and decorating. A basic glaze of powdered sugar and milk or water works wonders. Dip your donuts while they are still warm. This helps the glaze adhere perfectly and gives them a lovely sheen. Get creative with toppings like colorful sprinkles, chopped nuts, or a rich chocolate drizzle to make them visually appealing. Finally, let's talk about getting your delicious donuts to customers. Use sturdy, attractive packaging that keeps your donuts fresh and protected. When pricing, consider your ingredient costs, labor, and desired profit margin. Don't forget to market your creations. Share photos on social media, offer samples at local events, and build a loyal customer base.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.